Welcome back to the QuickBook course. We're at an exciting point in this course because we're now at the point where we're going to look at sales and what could be really more exciting than sales in a business. So first sale we're going to look at is where a customer gets the product or service immediately. So first of all, let's start by going to the new icon, and then under customer we're going to enter sales receipt. So we're at the sales receipt, and what we want to do is first put the customer in. If you have a new customer, you can conveniently add it here. We'll just click the first customer that's already in the system, Amy's Bird Sanctuary. And because this customer's already been set up, we can see that there's an email and a billing address already set up. Be careful with the sales receipt date that you use, the date that you want to use. That can really mess you up if you use the wrong date. We'll let it go to the default date and use that. There's an opportunity to use what they call tags, and tags are like categories, but they're a little less formal. So you can put tags into your sales receipts to help you further categorize your customers and the type of sales that you make. Next, we're going to look at the payment method. How did the company, the customer, Amy's Bird Sanctuary, pay us? So we're going to put that they paid us with a check. They could do a cash check or charge. We're going to do a check. You can include a reference number if you needed to, for example, the check number. And then we have the deposit, and where we're going to put this, what account are we going to put this in our books? We're going to put this in what they call undeposited funds. Even though we're going to eventually move this into the checking account, at this point it hasn't been deposited. So undeposited funds are funds that we've got in our office, basically, that we need to bring to the bank. Then we go down to the products and services that we're selling to the customer. Let's say the customer's ordered some sprinklers. So we're going to do products, and we'll go down to sprinkler heads, and we'll put the quantity, let's say 4, and we have the rate. So then we're going to charge $8. Is that a taxable item? Since it's a product, it usually is. Then we're going to put sprinkler pipes, and we'll do 2 of those, and again the rate is $4 each. This is a taxable item, and that's good enough to see how this works. Then you get to select the sales tax. Is it a California tax, or we also have a Tucson tax? We'll keep it at California. If there's any kind of discount that we're offering the client, perhaps for being in the military or something of that nature, then that's where the discount percentage would be involved. You had the ability to add additional messaging. This was set up when we looked at the settings to automatically populate this message, but we could change it on the fly if we wanted to. Maybe we know the person, the manager at Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and we wanted to personalize the message a little bit. Now we'll go down here and we'll do save and close. Now let's go see the results of our receipt of the sale. So we'll go to sales, and then we'll go down to customers, and we see Amy's Bird Sanctuary. And there's a lot of actions you can take immediately. You can receive payment. Notice that that company has a balance open with us. There's other things too. We can send them a statement, an invoice, do an estimate, all directly from the customer area. Let's look at the specific details of the customer. So first of all, you can see the sales receipt that we just did, and then you can see other activity that this customer's had with us. And you can go into the action button on the right, and you can do different things for these previous sales, whether or not there's open invoices or payments that have been made. But we came here mainly to see that you can track down the sales receipt that you just put in.